Let's take another exercise in SolidWorks Sheet Metal. This is a simple sheet metal exercise, and here we will learn about gussets. You will see these gussets. So we will create this all, then we will make these simple gussets. Okay. All dimensions are in inches fraction. Corner bending radii are 7 by 64 inch unless otherwise specified. Gusset wall thickness 1.8 inch, corner fillet 1.8 inch. Okay, remove bar, relief cut 100%. Now material is 7 by 6 inch thick, 5052 H32 aluminium alloy. Okay, now we have here multiple views. This is the top view. So this is the, you will consider this one front view. Now here you will see 1, 2, 3, 4 wall are there. So we will create 1, 2 and these 3 wall, because this upper wall, there is a cutout, and in this there is a one ham also. So 7 by half inch, and this is 3 and 3 by 4 inch, and this is 2 and 1 by 4 inch. Okay, so let's use this. And width how much? 6 inch. That's it. Now first I am going to change unit. So here choose edit document. Now use inches. Now I want to use fraction. So here you have to write. So maximum you can write 256 fractions. Maximum either 8, 64, whatever you can take, but I am going to take maximum. Okay. Say okay. Now I am going to activate here front plane sketch, activate line tool, exit. Okay, now let's start. Now let's the bottom one. Here press 7 space bar, and this is going to be 1 by 2. Okay, now that's it. Now similarly this one, 3 space bar 3 by 4, and this is going to be 2 space bar 1 by 4 inch. Now see, we applied fractions, that's why all dimensions visible in fraction. Now simply right click. Okay, let me exit. Right click on any tabs and activate sheet metal. Now first operation, base flange. Activate base flange. Now let's apply here, keep end condition mid plane so that material will flow both sides equally. Now here the thickness is mentioned 7 by 64 inch. Oh no, not thickness. This is actually 6 inch, but thickness 7 by 64. Now bending radius also the same. K factor I am going to keep as it is. We will learn some other time. Now here auto relief is 100% given, so keep ratio 1. 1 means 100%. Okay. Now make reverse direction. Okay. Now material move inside. Say okay. Let's make this flange 1 is to 5 by 8, 1 and 5 by 8 inch, and you will see here on top view 1 and 1 by 4 inch. Then there is a hole. This hole diameter you will see 3 by 8 inch, 2 hole. Distance this hole 5 by 8 and 3 by 4. Okay. Then we will mirror this, and there is a chamfer also 1 by 4 inch, 45 degree. And if you see in this view, these cutouts are relief, and this is material movement flow inside. You can see clearly here. Now let me activate here edge flange. Now I'm going to select this up inside edge and move cursor inside. Okay. Now edit flange. Now smart dimension. Now this is 1 space bar 1 by 4 inch. See, click back, and the length for this, here I want to apply length. Angle I am going to keep 90 degree. Let's check this, 90 degree. Even though you can change radius, but we will keep default radius. Now the length is given 1 space bar 5 by 8 inch. Okay, now let's just, okay, let me clearly visible. Now material should be flow inside, so dimension from outer virtual sharp, flange position, material inside. Now corner relief, see we already selected 1 ratio while creating base flange. Okay, let's make a hole wizard. Now I am going to choose multiple hole. Simply choose here hole. Now here I am going to choose the hole size. This hole size is actually 3 by 8. Now here I am going to choose next position. Now select this face. Now place somewhere here. Right click, select and exit. Apply dimensions. Now this is going to be 5 by 8. Similarly, this distance from here, and this is going to be 3 by 4 inch. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Say OK. Now the hole is created. Now let me activate here break corner trim. Now here break type chamfer, and 1 by 4, this is what exactly we need. Now I am going to select, either choose edges 1 by 1 or simply choose this face and it will detect edges. Say yes. Now let's mirror this. Actually in sheet metal I prefer to create, but let's move mirror feature. Let's say this one, hole, and select. Okay, it's creating problem. Okay, let's select. Okay, the chamfer is missing. Let's activate another. Okay, cannot be mirror. Okay, let's add one more time. Okay, break corner we cannot simply choose 1 by 4 inch. That's it. Okay, for gussets we corrected our drawing. Now gusset thickness also going to be gusset wall thickness 7 by 64, similar as thickness of sheet. Corner fillet 7 by 64. You will see here all corner fillets 7 by 64. Wall thickness you will see 7 by 64. Width, this one, draft angle 6 degree, and the height of or depth of this 1 and 1 by 4 inch. Okay. So let's activate this. Activate sheet metal gusset. Now first you have to choose two faces. So I'm going to select these two faces. Clear. Select these two faces. See, the line is going to change. Now this is the pink line and this is the start point. See, if I'm by default is offset activated. If I'm unchecked, see, this is going to start from this point and the center point of gusset. Let's activate offset 3 inch from this side to here because this is at center. Now the diagonal of this gusset is 1:1 and 1 by 4 inch. This is the important. Now what else? Now there is a two types, rounded gusset and flat gusset. See, flat, rounded. So I am going to keep rounded. Now 3 by 4 inch is the width of this gusset. Now thickness is 7 by 64 inch. Okay. Now angle is activated 6 degree, and here radius. This is similar to this one, 7 by 64. 7 by 6 4 inch. Full view, partial view, full view. You will see bottom also going to create. I will show you. Now here check this one. If you check override document setting, show profile, show center. So while making drawing, it will show you this center. Let's say I am going to uncheck. Okay. See this gussets, internal radius and everything. If you flatten view, see there is no symbol or anything for gussets. Flatten, open gussets, edit feature, come down and here check show profile and center. Okay. Now flatten. See, you will see the location for these gussets. That's why we activated those, and it will help while making drawing. Okay. Gussets we did. Then there is a ham, 1 and 1 by 4 inch. See, this is and there are 3 inch, 3 inch. There are 1 by 4 diameter 4 hole, 2:1 by 4 inch. Okay, we will do this one. This is at center. We will consider this at center. Now let's make hole first. So okay, let's go with hole wizard. Simple hole, and hole diameter is shown 1 by 4 inch. So double click 1 by 4 inch. For depth, I am going to keep up to next. So let's say position. Select this face. Now before going to place, let me activate rectangle. 3 tap 3 enter. Before choose for construction. Activate. Now place at all corner. Exit. Now at center one more, delete this. Smart dimension. Now distance from here to here it's given. 2 space 1 by 4 inch. Okay. Now this from this side is center. So let me choose origin point and center of this and make relation horizontal. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay. Here the hole is created. Now let me go to sheet metal, use ham tool. Now first we have to choose any edge. So I am going to select this edge. Now edit, I don't want, now there are two types, material inside or outside. So material inside according to drawing. Now here I am going to select close. Now here the depth for 1 space bar 1 by 4 inch. You will see the preview. Look, distance from upside to bottom. Now we don't need to define because this is full length. K factor also I am going to keep as it is. I think we did. So this is the simple tutorial. If you want to choose, okay, let's add material. Add material. Aluminium alloy 505. Apply close. Okay, I am going to edit the color or something like this. Okay, flatten view. See, if you want to right click, export to DXF or drawing file, you can choose either drawing, either DXF, whatever. DXF is mainly used for machining purpose, so we always keep DXF. Save. Now choose here sheet metal. Now what do you want to export? So let's say bend line, library feature, forming feature also, let's activate this. Bounding box, no. Say okay. Now look. Now the origin XY here, you can also edit those, cancel. Now let me choose here X, Y, and point, let's say this end point, you will see XY, and let me add some hidden, okay. Now see, this is change, XY here. You can simply choose save, and that's it. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.